Jury selection begins today in the new trial of the woman charged with killing her Boston police officer boyfriend. Police say Karen Reed, who used to teach at a local university, hit O'Keefe with her car on a cold night back in 2022. They say she left him for dead. Now she claims, though, it's a cover-up and she's being framed. Her first trial ended in a mistrial. CBS News legal reporter Katrina Kaufman joins me here in Studio 57 with more on this. She is following this case for us. Katrina, good morning to you.
Good morning.
The judge in this case said it would actually be challenging to seat a jury, and it may take a long time. Why is that?
Errol, this is a case that has been highly publicized and, riveted people in the Boston area. The judge has even had to expand the perimeter outside of the courthouse because during the first trial of Karen Reed, the supporters were so loud they could hear them inside of the courtroom, Errol. So they're going to have about 1,000 people, they say, that they're bringing in for this jury, about over 200 a day, have them fill out questionnaires on a first day and then come in for questioning. So this is expected to be a complicated process. I mean, it's similar to when you're trying someone like Donald Trump. That's obviously on a much bigger scale, but this has been talked about nationally and, of course, a lot in Massachusetts. And what these sides want to find is jurors who can be fair and impartial, even though they likely have heard about the case. This is not a case where they're expecting to find people who don't know about it.
Eye-opening to see all the demonstrators outside there in that footage. Now, the judge ruled yesterday that lawyers can't use what's described as a third-party culprit defense involving one of the three men blamed for the killing. What's behind that? What does that mean?
Errol, what her defense team is trying to do here is there are three men who they think could be alternate possibilities for who killed Karen Reed's boyfriend. So what they wanted to present is a defense that shows that she was not the culprit in this case. It was one of these three other people. What the judge has said is that one of them she's not going to allow, but two of the others she will. So at trial, they're not actually allowed to talk about this defense during opening statements, Karen Reed's attorneys, but they can present evidence about these two men during the trial to try to show that they were the ones who were, in fact, responsible for this death.
Very fascinating. First trial ended in a mistrial. The jury couldn't agree. We'll see what happens here next. Katrina, thanks so much.
Thank you.
Great to see you.